My cousin is talking to me. Well, you guys wonder why I haven't been making YouTube videos, right? Because you've been waiting for a new video, right? It's time to tell you the truth. I have quit YouTube and this is my final video. Next year I'll come back, I promise. But if I didn't come back,
for FE lang yan,
I'm sorry. And next year you will see me again. Because
administration na.
making
Sa FE kasi, sa FE, naka-break na yan doon sa description.
and I'll
Ay, na-deactivate na yung leaves at saka holiday.
buy. I hope you glad I'm gone. If you're not glad, then stay in this video.
I-message mo ulit dun sa Maglalagay ako.
I haven't been making videos for a very, very long time. Akira is my cousin,
Status ng deactivation.
and
Kasi dyan kasi yan eh.
I think
Ang dami
it's time
iniisip
to
nila ngayon eh.
go. Bye. I'll see you next year.
Ano yung deactivate ano?
More videos
Jack,
next
Alien 06 at saka Alien 07.